Guys, I'm so excited about going over to the assistant's spooky mansion.
Me too, Connor. I can't wait.
How spooky are we talking here?
Greg, don't worry about it. It won't be that scary. All right, guys, let's put on our costumes. Maya,
Connor, and Greg. We're the PJ Monsters.
All right, guys, let's get out of here. This will be so much fun.
Are you sure? Wow!
Wow! The assistant sure did do a great job of decorating her spooky castle.
She sure did, Owlette. Wait, what's that sound? Gekko! Gekko, buddy, don't be scared. It's gonna be fine.
Let's let the assistant know that we're here.
Hi! Welcome to my spooky castle.
You were right, assistant. This place is super spooky.
Let me show you around. Over here is our spider zoo.
Ooh. They're giving me the creepy crawlies.
Don't worry, they're all friendly.
Okay, if you say so. Gekko, I don't want to alarm you. Stay calm. What is it? I'm okay now. Wait, what's that tickling? Ah!
Gekko!
That was super creepy.
It'll be okay, Gekko. Let's see what else the assistant wants to show us.
And this, shh, listen.
Are those bats, assistants?
You got it. This is where I keep the bats. And don't worry, they're friendly too. I train them myself.
Whoa, that's super cool, assistant. What's that over there? Wait up, guys. Wait for me. Hello? Ah! Whoa.
Finally, this is my slime pool.
Ew, gross!
Sweet.
Gekko, watch out!
No.
Oh no, Gekko! Are you okay? Let's get you cleaned up.
That's better, buddy. As good as new.
Assistant, I really love your dress. It's super spooky.
Thanks! Guess what? It's also magical.
Whoa! What's all the fuss about, PJ Monsters? Romeo!
Let's hide the assistant.
What do you want, Romeo? Oh, I don't know. Just to take over the world? Let us go, Romeo! Never! Now, where's the assistant? I'm almost positive I heard her voice. You'll never find her, Romeo. Oh, really?
Maybe she's over there, Romeo.
I knew you'd lead me right to her. Thanks, PJ Monsters.
Bats! Trick Romeo!
Assistant! Oh, assistant! Assistant? Are you in there? Huh. What's that sound? Ah!
Romeo, hurry! Hide in the skull!
Spiders! Go get Romeo a hug!
Oh no! Oh, what's that? Oh, please! Don't let him get me!
Gotcha!
Romeo. You won't be taking over the world today.
People home. Now we're gonna go change out of our costumes. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Catboy, is that you?
Hey guys, I have the perfect idea for what game we should play next. Let's play some soccer. I'll go get the ball. Okay, I got it. Let's play.
Pass it over here, Gekko! Pass it over here!
No, pass it over here, Gekko. Pass it over here. Yeah.
Okay, are you sure this is where it went?
Yeah, I saw it fly through those green doors.
Well, I guess someone should go inside and try to find it.
Not it.
Okay, I guess I'll go in and try to find it.
Good luck, Catboy.
Oh, I hope he finds it quick. This place is so spooky.
Catboy, is that you?
Oh no, that's not Catboy. I gotta go in and help him. I'm coming, Catboy. Gekko, hurry back. That's funny. Catboy sighs just like that when he's frustrated or when people aren't listening to him. So weird. Gekko? Gekko, is that you? Ah! It's another monster! I have to go in and save Gekko and Catboy! There must be many more monsters in there! Watch out, monster! I'm coming, Gekko and Catboy! Okay, well, it's definitely really spooky in here. Catboy? Gekko? Where are you guys? Oh, look! There's the soccer ball! I can get it and get out of here! Alright, come to me, little soccer ball. I'm gonna get you now. Ah! Oh no! Ah! Ah!
Subscribe to our channel. Bye!
And done. Wow, it was so nice for Anna and Elsa to let us borrow their castle for our spooky Halloween party.
Yeah, I'm so excited for all of our guests to arrive.
Hey guys. Yeah? I feel like we're missing something. Oh, I think they're here. Boom May! It's time to party! Wow, PJ Masks, thanks so much for inviting us to your spooky Halloween party.
Yeah, and we brought some pumpkins to help decorate. Where? I don't see any pumpkins.
Wait for it!
Hey, people at home.
Pay close attention and count all the pumpkins. Oh, awesome! Now we have all the decorations for our party. Let's get going! Oh yeah, we have all the decorations. We got our spooky, creepy, spiderweb covered trees and that bat swing over there. It's so cool. Oh, and then look at the gravestones.
And don't forget about the lights. They're ghosts and spiders.
Ooh, and there's a coffin back here. I wonder what could be inside. Maybe cookies, I don't know.
I just love all the pumpkins.
Oh, and those bat chairs are so cool. I think we're ready for the coolest Halloween party ever.
So what's up first?
Oh, it's my favorite game, Pumpkin Tic-Tac-Toe. Who wants to play first?
Woo! Me!
Okay, let's play. Oh, Shimmer, Shine, we use your help. A little genie magic, I mean. Genie magic. Shimmer and shine, it's tic-tac-toe time. Awesome, let's play. Okay, Shimmer, you go first.
Okay, here I go. Right there in the corner.
Good spot, but I have a better one.
Well, how about this?
How about this?
Haha, not so fast.
Tricky, where to go? This spot.
Okay, where should I go? Aha! Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row.
Ah, you got me. Good job, Shimmer.
Thanks.
Okay, who's next?
Ooh, me. I wanna play. Okay, let's do this. Ladies first.
Thanks. I think I'll put my first one here.
Okay, I'll go up here.
Right there.
Haha, blocked it.
Okay, right there.
Oh, uh-oh. I think I'm in a pickle. Okay, well, how about here?
Haha, I gotcha right there. Oh man, and the genies win again. Okay, well, then let's play Pin the Spider on the Ghost. It's the best game, and I'm actually really good at it.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. Ready, boys? Yeah. Oh, Mr. Ghost. Okay, Shimmer, here's a spider. The first one to put it on Mr. Ghost wins.
Wait, is it a real spider?
Of course, but don't worry, he's super friendly.
Phew, okay, good.
All right, ready, set, pin the spider on the ghost. Come here, Mr. Ghost.
Oh, I almost got him.
I got a spider for you.
Come here, ghosty.
Oh, I know you like spiders. Come here, Mr. Ghost.
Oh, so close.
Oh, had him. Ow! My bad.
My mistake.
Mr. Ghost, come here. I almost got you. Yeah.
Oh, so close.
Good try, Shimmer.
Thanks.
Hey, we have a fun game too.
Really? What is it?
Costume contest.
Don't worry, we'll provide the costume.
Shimmer and shine, new costumes divine. Oh, Owlette, you look so great. What do I look like?
The flowers go great with your leather jacket. Can you hear the ocean with the seashells on your glasses?
No. Okay, who's next? Shimmer and shine, another costume divine.
Wow, Catboy, you look awesome. Thanks. What do I look like? I can see time.
That's because you're the perfect mix of clown and smarts. You got a clown hat and a clown bow tie and watch glasses.
Oh, cool. Who's next?
Shimmer and shine, one more costume divine. Wow, Gekko, you look so classy.
Thanks, but it's gonna be kind of hard to go Gekko camouflage in this very crazy jacket. Isn't it awesome? With the velvet red sleeves and the velvet blue tie? And look, you're ready to lead a marching band with that awesome hat.
Wow, you guys look so good in your costumes.
People at home, why don't you decide whose costume is the best?
Yeah, let us know in the comments below who you think had the best costume. Was it Owlette, Gekko, or Catboy? Type it below in the comments.
And for more fun videos, subscribe to our channel.
And make sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter.
And give us a big PJ Masks Shimmer and Shine thumbs up.
And today's spooky spelling word is
Halloween!
Halloween, like our Halloween party. Make sure you type that in the comments below.
Bye everyone! Thanks for watching!
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there you can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!